Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a subdomain for Namecheap. So in order to do this, you will have to just navigate to this support page where it shows the full process of how to create a subdomain on Namecheap. So the first step is go to your domain list and click on manage next to domain. As you can see, you'll have to navigate to the domain list section at the left corner of your screen. Click on this option and this will open up your domain list that you would have brought. After this page gets opened, click on the manage button that you will see just after your domain name. Now select the advanced DNS tab at the top on that exact page. Now find the host record section and click on add new record button here on the exact same page. Now you'll have to select the way your subdomain will be connected from the list below. You can choose a subdomain that points to IP address of the destination hostname, a subdomain that forwards to a link or URL, a subdomain that points to a server name, or catch-all wildcard subdomain. You can select any one of these options. So whichever you want to do, just click on that option here and this will take you to the exact page that shows how to do that. Choose the exact option from that page. Now click on save all changes. After click on save all changes, normally it will take 30 minutes for a newly created record to take effect. And that's how you can do that. So the simple way to know how to do this is navigate to the Namecheap's website and search for how to create a subdomain for my domain. And you can navigate to this page, read all the instructions carefully, and after that you'll be successfully able to create a subdomain in Namecheap. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.